Why do you keep saying, I make a meeting? And here's what to say instead. Welcome back to Syntax English with me, Jessica. I hope this helps you understand why we don't say make a meeting, and I'm going to give you some helpful hints on what to say instead. Non-native English speakers in IT who attend a lot of meetings often translate phrases directly from their own language. Right. Let's talk about meetings because apparently in the world of IT, we don't attend meetings, we just make them like we're baking cakes. A little bit of a spoiler alert. You don't make a meeting unless you're personally designing time and space, which we know is not exactly possible. Let's have a look at some common mistakes. I make a meeting with my manager, or we do the meeting at 3. Why do these sound like in English? In English, we cannot make a meeting and we cannot do a meeting. I know in other languages you can make a meeting and do a meeting, and this is why the mistake is so common, because you directly translate it. Instead, what I want you to look at is these words. I scheduled a meeting with my manager, or we are having a meeting at 3. This is an important thing to remember in English, is that we don't make a meeting. We tend to use the words schedule, organize, or the phrasal verb set up. And with that, we can't do a meeting, we have a meeting. Let's talk a little bit about some common phrases that we use when we are planning, attending, and canceling meetings. For planning, we have set up a meeting, schedule a meeting, arrange a meeting. Attending, join a meeting, attend a meeting, take part in a meeting. And canceling, cancel a meeting, reschedule or reschedule a meeting, postpone a meeting. And a quick clarifying point as to the difference between reschedule and postpone. Reschedule generally means that we have the next date organized, we know when it's going to happen. Postpone means delay until a later time, we don't have a specified time when it's going to happen. Now, remember, I make a meeting with the manager. No, you don't do that. You can set up a meeting with the manager. You can arrange a meeting with the manager, or even schedule a meeting with the manager. Remember that if you have to arrange your next stand-up or a meeting with potential stakeholders or with actual stakeholders, you can say things like, I'll set up a daily stand-up at 9 a.m. Or if you need to talk to someone privately at the beginning, can you join a few minutes early? Or if you are swamped with work, meaning that you have too much work, and you need to postpone today's meeting with your team, let's postpone today's sync until tomorrow. As you can see, the 3 examples that I just said. I'll set up a daily stand-up at 9 a.m. When you join the meeting a few minutes early, let's postpone today's sync until tomorrow. The next time you're tempted to say, make a meeting, just remember, you are not a wizard. You're a team lead, and team leads schedule meetings like reasonable humans. Got a phrase you always translate from your language into something that sounds weird in English? Drop it in the comments. Let me know. And as always, if you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next.